You got a rusty grill? Well, why don't you let Metal Rescue remove the rust in 3 easy steps? That way you can get back to grilling in no time. Come on, let us show you how. First tip, Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath is not an acid. So any barrier like old grease is going to have to be removed before you use Metal Rescue. Grab a tub and some dish soap. After it's been soaking for a few hours, we're going to scrub the heck out of it. Finally, we dried it, removing any grease and residue left behind. Now we have a clean surface to work with. Now it's time for the fun part. That's right. Metal Rescue is safe on everything except rust. So why are you wearing those gloves? Ah, much better. Yeah, throw those in there too. It's safe. Metal Rescue is safe on skin, most paints, rubber, plastic, chrome, and of course, cast iron grills. Make sure you cover your part completely, and then just let it soak. After a few hours, when Metal Rescue starts to darken, check it. Make sure the rust is gone. If it's not, just keep on letting it soak. Yeah, Metal Rescue safe on rubber gloves. It is a little magical. Metal Rescue is non-toxic, biodegradable, and reusable. Yeah, 1 gallon of Metal Rescue will remove up to 1/2 pound of rust. When your parts are completely derusted, take them out of the Metal Rescue and rinse them. We recommend that you thoroughly clean any food contact surfaces according to good manufacturing practices. Now that your grill is rinsed off, dry it. Because Metal Rescue is not an acid, you don't have to neutralize the metal afterwards. Now, who's ready for some burgers and dogs? Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath. Your clean, safe, and easy way to remove rust from your grill, or anything with rust. Thanks for watching.